Hey guys, it's Courtney
and Teresa
with Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video in our Ho Ho Holiday series.
And in this video, we are going to bring you 5 different budget-friendly gifts that you can give to your family and friends.
So let's go ahead and get started. So before we get to our baskets, we're going to show you a little recipe that we do every year for Christmas, and we're just going to add this into each of the baskets.
Yep, and then this recipe is called the Rice Krispie Candies. And for the ingredients for it, you will need Rice Krispies, peanut butter, dry roasted peanuts, 2 bags of the white baking chips. Make sure you get white baking chips and not the vanilla bark on this one. And then mini marshmallows. So the first thing you'll do is you'll need to melt these 2 bags of white chocolate in the oven. And I usually turn the oven on warm or 200 degrees, and you just kind of stir it every couple minutes. Be careful with white chocolate because it is very temperamental, and if you let it go too long, it'll get hard and you ruin it. So that's why every 2-3 minutes, just go in the oven with the warm spatula and just kind of stir it around until it's completely melted. So that's what we're going to do now.
And now that your chocolate is melted, what you'll want to do is add 2 cups each of the Rice Krispies, mini marshmallows, dry roasted peanuts, and the peanut butter. You mix it until it's fully incorporated.
Once you've mixed everything together, you lay wax paper down on a flat surface, and I like to do it on the table. That way, if you're working on anything else, then it doesn't get in the way. Because these have to sit up about 30 to 45 minutes, it depends. And then once you get the wax paper down, all you do is you just spoonful globs on the wax paper. See, just like a tablespoonful. And then you just put it down on the wax paper and it will set up. And as you'll see, you can get about 60, 65 little candies out of it. So it makes a really nice batch of treats. For this basket, we are making a M&M cookie in a jar recipe. So let's go on and show you how we do this one.
So first you're going to start with all the dry ingredients. So we've got flour, sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, and the salt. The next basket that we're going to do is an at-home spa night. And the first thing that we're going to start off doing is a peppermint foot soak.
So the ingredients you're going to need for this one is, I found these during the fall at the Target dollar spot with the little rose or copper lids. So that's what we're going to put our foot soak in. I'm really excited to use these.
So cute.
You'll need a little jar. You'll need peppermint leaf tea, coarse salt, cornstarch, peppermint and lemon extract, baking soda, olive oil, and some Epsom salt. So let's go on and get started. So now that our ingredients are all incorporated, and let me tell you, I really wish you guys could smell this. This smells amazing. I'm gonna have to do up a batch for myself, I can see.
So then you just add them each into the jars.
This next gift basket that we're doing, we're calling it Home Sweet Home. And we are gonna have all types of different scent items in there. And for the first thing we're doing is we're gonna make stovetop simmering potpourri. And this is so easy. You probably already have everything in your kitchen already. All you do is you take a handful or so of fresh cranberries, a fresh orange, some whole cloves, and some cinnamon sticks. And I just buy the big bags, the loot bags from the Dollar Tree, and put them in there, and then you just decorate it with ribbon and bows and stuff, and we'll put it right inside that basket. So this is how we assemble this one. And this is so neat. It takes me back to my childhood. My grandmother used to do these all the time, and it wasn't just cranberries and oranges. Basically, it was whatever she had in season and spices, she would put in a pot on the stovetop and just have it simmering all day long. I always said she was Martha Stewart before Martha Stewart ever came around.
I'm struggling with these eggs today. Let's do it this way a little bit.
And another thing that I have done in the past is I've just taken these, made a whole bunch of them for our neighbors, and a day or two before Christmas, I've just kind of dropped them in their mailboxes, and when they opened up their mailboxes, they had these little treat bags. And I had so many compliments and thank yous when I did that for our neighbors.
How many of these do you think?
Just three, 4, whatever you feel like it looks like. Put one more in there.
And then just like
And then just, yep. Yep. And that's it.
I love this idea. This is so simple and easy to do. I'm sure it smells amazing.
Yep.
And that's it. So the next thing that we're going to do in our Home Sweet Home basket is make a room spray. So we got these bottles at the Dollar Tree. They had them all different colors. And then we have a few different essential oils from Young Living. So we've got clove, we've got peppermint, and pine. And then all we do is put the drops in the water bottle, and then we just add water to it. So we ended up doing 5 drops of clove and pine, and then 3 drops of the peppermint. Peppermint is kind of a stronger scent, so you need less of that. So then all you do is you put the little lid on, and you want to make sure that before each time you spray it, you just give it a shake before, and then you just spray it. So the next thing that we're going to do for the Home Sweet Home basket is a clove sachet. So what you'll need is cloves, whole cloves, a ribbon, little plastic rubber bands, you can barely see them I'm sure, and fabric. You can use any scrap fabric that you have. And then you just fill it with cloves. Take the corners and you pull them all together. You twist it to make sure that it is really tight. And then you pull this rubber band over all this. And then you just add a bow.
For this gift basket, we're going to do an at-home movie night. And what we did was we went on redbox.com, and I saw that you could just print off a gift card, and you can put any amount that you'd like on it. Obviously this one is 0 just because we wanted to show this to you. but you put any dollar amount, you put to and from, and then you can even put a message on it. So I've already cut it out from just a regular sheet of paper. And then I always keep these Dollar Tree Christmas cards on file so that if you needed a last minute gift or send a card out, then you have them. You just stick this inside of your Christmas card with the envelope, and then you'll put this in the movie basket, and we'll show you that here in a minute. Here is all 4 of our gift baskets. And here is our at-home movie basket. And as you can tell, we use the Dollar Tree ornament, the little wire basket from Dollar Tree. We have just ribboned the candies together. We added our homemade Rice Krispie candies. In the envelope is our Christmas card along with the red box gift card. And we have attached that to a box of popcorn.
Okay, so this is our at-home spa night basket. I actually got the baskets, I actually got 2 of the baskets at the thrift store for about $3 for both of them. We went ahead and put these little socks in there that we got last year on sale after Christmas. They're aloe infused, they're really soft, they're great. We added the peppermint foot soak in there, our Christmas spirit candle that we made, and you'll see a video on that here soon on how to do that. And then we added the candies and a card, Christmas card. And then we added a little bit of this spruce from outside in the backyard.
And another quick tip is after Christmas, the day after Christmas, Courtney and I go out and go shopping. Not only for gift wrap and boxes and ribbon for Christmas for the next year, but we also know people that we want to purchase gifts for, or just have a couple little items left over just in case you need that surprise gift. And that's what we did here with the aloe socks. We ended up getting these for like $1 a pair the day after Christmas, so we scooped those up knowing that we would do something with them. Okay. And then here's the other basket Courtney had mentioned that she got at the thrift store. This is the other one. And in this basket, this is our Home Sweet Home gift basket. And it has the room spray, we're sending out the homemade candies again, and our clove little sachet, and then also the simmering pot potpourri. And then we have a tea towel that, again, I found these tea towels at World Market after Christmas, and I want to say for a pack of 3, I got them for like $3 or $4. So I have a couple packs stashed in my Christmas stuff, and so I just added that tea towel in here. This little ornament from the Dollar Tree, we just tied it on in case they wanted to keep it as an ornament and put it on their Christmas tree. And then we have our Christmas card for them.
And then our last basket is the Christmas cookie basket. We have our M&M cookie in a jar, and then we put the recipe right on the top so they know exactly what to add and what to do afterwards. And then we've got, again, the little candies. We got a little scooper to make it easy for them to scoop out their cookies. Just a few candy canes, and then another one of these tea towels. And then here's another one of the cute little ornaments from the Dollar Tree in the basket from the Dollar Tree. And then we finished it off with a card.
And this is one extra little bonus gift idea that we thought that we'd bring you. So, you know, bus drivers, teachers,
Trash man, the mailman.
Yeah. And if you still get the paper, your newspaper carrier, in the past, what I've done is I just put a card in the mailbox, or I hand it to them when I see them with a gift card. And I've done Starbucks, like $5 or $10 Starbucks gift cards. I've done Dunkin' Donuts. This year, though, we thought it would be really neat to put a couple of our lottery scratchers in their Christmas card in hopes that they'll scratch some kind of dollar amount off and win it.
And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll add some cookies to the card so that they have a little extra.
Yep.
We hope that you enjoyed our Ho-Ho Holiday Gift Basket ideas.
And if you did, we'd love for you to give us a big thumbs up. And also, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join our family here at Yellow Daisy.
And if you have any ideas on gift baskets, go ahead and put that down in the comments.
Yeah, we'd love to hear what you guys have done in the past. So until our next video, guys, bye-bye.